Hey guys, it's me, Greta Science. I'm here again to, well, first of all, let me start before I go with this, which you can clearly see on my computer screen. Um, so what's going on? Well, I didn't do anything for Bonnie. It was pretty too fast for me. I attempted to make a video, but it pretty much was a failure. And then colon, it was just moving too fast, no time, too busy. But anyway, I've decided to do something new for a change. Something that has to do with pretty much similar to Hyper World that Force 13 used to have. But now I'm just starting my own hypothetical hurricanes, and I'm going to be posting videos on my channel. Now what we have right now, we have a new system and a basin called the Clementine Sea, and its name is Tropical Storm Ally. The basin's Clementine Sea, as I mentioned. Its movement is at west at 9 miles per hour, wind speeds at 40 miles per hour, pressure at 1,006 millibars, which has been strengthening. It was a depression earlier today, and the season started about 3 weeks ago, so it's kind of behind. Yeah. Well, anyway, it's this is the location right off the coast of Ophelia Island. Um, the green circles signify tropical storm, and that one yellow area, there's a chance that it could become a hurricane. Um, in this area, right off the coast of a city here called Mango. Before heading northward and then going inland, hitting the mountain areas. Currently, it's just literally off the coast. There's a chance for it to make landfall, but right now it seems not really likely because you see how wide the cone is, and yeah. This is the forecast in 12 hours. Then 24 hours, it'll be right here, somewhere either this far out or this far in. Um, the the greatest scenario would be it taking straight inland, or it could go out like this, which will be more bad because it has more water to interact with instead of being hugging the coast, and that's it. But that's just 24 hours. It should be there. In 36 hours, it'll be there. 48 hours there. Sorry about that. Yeah. In 60 hours, it'll be a depression hitting the mountains. From there, it'll be weakening and heading northward, and transitioning to an extratropical system before being tugged up northward. And that's the end of it, of the system in total. There's nothing much to talk about other than that, since the area, terrain, it got mountains, the Chantal Mountains, which have peaks of 16,000 feet, which is gonna tear up the system once it gets to land. And if it will be worse for it if it was to go all the way from here all the way in, because this is the borderline of its path, the possibility. It would ultimately weaken. If it was to follow that track, it would be depression over here, in an area right here. It would be a depression. It wouldn't have basically no chance, no more monitoring, nothing much afterwards. But right now, there's a chance for it to strengthen, become a Category 1 hurricane before weakening and making a final landfall somewhere along the Victoria district. This is the Victoria district stretching inland to the mountains partially, before getting cut off and hit in a Cape area right here called Cape Virgo around here, and that's pretty much it from that. And there's nothing to say about it. It's just a tropical storm, an average tropical storm, in fact. That's pretty much it to say, on the very least. And yeah, since this is a hypothetical storm, it has no effects. If you want to know the list, I'll post it down below in the video. For the names, this is the first storm of the season. It's going to run till December 31st at pretty much midnight. New Year's Eve. That's gonna be pretty much it from that. And the water temperatures in this area is around 84, 86 degrees. It should stay warm in the low shear, but once it gets here, it could strengthen faster if it was to go more out, because it's still having half land interaction and half ocean interaction, which is gonna not really benefit the system at all and weaken it greatly. So that's all. And sometimes, rarely though, there's in this area there's a chance storms over here forming, which is how the storm is in this early season of this month. And there's storms that could form around here, in the Clementine Island, and around this Bay Area as well. But they don't really last long. There's an occasional times that they do form and they become monster Category 5 systems. But other than that, that's it. And leave your comment down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I really like comments to see how, if you like it, should I do anything to benefit. And from there, that's it. Have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video.